Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Samsung appears to be taking a more selective approach with the new Galaxy A27. The latest leak points to a meaningful chipset upgrade, but it also suggests that some familiar features may be scaled back along the way. The Galaxy A27 new leaks point to a Snapdragon boost, but microSD and camera cuts remain. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. That trade-off is what makes the device stand out. Instead of simply refreshing the Galaxy A line with small changes, Samsung seems to be rebalancing priorities for its affordable mid-range model, putting more emphasis on performance and design while trimming a few popular extras. The biggest change in the new leak is the move to the Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 chipset. Resource MyMobile says that the new Galaxy A27 will drop the Exynos 1380 used by its predecessor, and the device has already appeared on Geekbench, which adds weight to that claim. The switch is expected to bring slightly better performance and improved thermal behavior compared with the previous generation. Samsung is also said to offer configurations with up to 8 GB of RAM and up to 256 GB of internal storage. On the design side, render images from OnLeaks and MyMobile show the Galaxy A27 in pink, black, and navy. The front is said to move to a punch-hole display, replacing the Infinity U notch used before. The screen borders still look fairly thick and uneven, though the lower chin is reportedly slimmer than on the Galaxy A26. That gives the phone a more modern appearance, without making it look fully premium. The new Galaxy A27 is expected to use a 6.7-inch AMOLED panel with FHD Plus resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. That combination keeps the phone positioned around smooth scrolling and solid everyday viewing. Power support remains unchanged in a familiar way. The phone is said to carry a 5000 mAh battery with 25-watt charging, a setup that has become standard in Samsung's mid-range lineup. The software side also looks straightforward. The device is nearly certain to launch with One UI 8.5 based on Android 16, and it is also expected to receive up to 5 years of updates. Camera hardware also seems to be trimmed, rather than expanded. The main camera remains a 50-megapixel sensor, but the supporting cameras are said to drop to a 5-megapixel ultra-wide and a 12-megapixel front camera. The new Galaxy A27 5G is expected to launch in June this year. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.